Today we are going to discuss about order of a matrix, chapter 3. We studied definition of a matrix. Matrix is an ordered rectangular array in which in a rectangular array we are having numbers or functions. Clear? But in this class we will discuss about what is the order. We are having one rectangular array, but what about its order? Clear? So, what is the order of a matrix? Observe a matrix having m rows and n columns. What? One matrix having m rows and n columns. We already studied rows and columns of a matrix. Matrix having rows and columns. So, one matrix we are having, that one is having m rows and n columns. Observe this example. In this matrix, left to right, this one is what? Row. So, we can say in this rectangular array, we are having 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. These are what? Rows. How many columns? Top to bottom. This one, this one, this one. These 3 are what? Columns. So, this matrix having 3 rows and 3 columns. So, if once a matrix having m rows and n columns, then the order of that matrix will be what? M into n. Or what we can say? M into n matrix, and this one is read as what? M by n matrix. Clear? So, observe, there are 3 examples. So, what about order of these matrices? Observe one. First one, we are having one matrix A in which this one is the row, this is also row, and this one is what? Row. So, how many rows this matrix having? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. And how many columns? This one is column, this one is what? Column. So, 2 columns. So, this matrix having 3 rows and 2 columns. Any matrix having m rows and n columns, then order will be what? M into n. First we will write rows, then column. M into n. How many rows in which we are having? 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. So its order will be what? M value will be what? 3. And what about the column? How many columns in which we are having? 1, 2. 2 columns. So what about the order of this matrix? Matrix A having order 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Clear? Its order is what? 3 into 2. Clear? Now what about this one? Matrix B, how many rows having? 1, 2, 3. First we will write rows. 3 rows. And how many columns? 3 by 1, 2, 3. So we can say 3 by 3. This one is what? 3 by 3 matrix. First one, A matrix is what? 3 by 2 matrix. B1 is what? 3 by 3 matrix. And what about the C? We are having one matrix C. What about its order? What we are studying? Order. So order is what? If any matrix having m rows and n columns, then the order will be what? M by n. Clear? What will be the order? First we will write what? Rows, then columns. So m is what? Number of rows, and n is what? Number of columns. So this matrix having 3 rows and 2 columns, so order will be what? 3 by 2. This matrix having 3 rows and what? 3 columns, so order will be what? 3 by 3. What about this one? this matrix having how many rows? 2 rows. And how many columns? 1 and 2. These are 2 rows. How many columns? 1, 2, 3. 3. 2 by 3 will be what? Order of matrix C. Clear? So, normal, once we know the basic knowledge of matrix, number of rows and number of columns, then M, if we are having M rows and N columns, then order will be what? M by N. M into N. We know when matrix is written in a square bracket, and at this place we will put what? Order. So this one is 3 by 2, this one is what? 3 by 3, and this matrix having order 2 by 3. Clear? Now we will discuss what general form of N, M into N, or we can say M by N matrix. What about the general form of N, M by N matrix? We are having M rows and N columns in a matrix, then its general form will be what? This one. General form of M by N matrix will be what? This one. A11, A12, A13 up to A1N. We are having M rows and N columns. So 1, 2, 3 up to M. M 1, this is the 1 row, this is the 2 row, this is 3, so 4, 5 up to M. So 1 to M. M will be what? Number of rows, and N will be what? Number of columns. 1, 2, 3 up to N. So N is showing columns and M is showing what? Rows. So this will be what? General form of an M by N matrix. Clear? This can be written as like this. Aij, Ij, I values is what? Greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to M, and J value what? Greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to N. And I and J both belongs to natural number. N is what? Natural number. So both are same. This is the complete array form, and in the short form we can say M by N. General form of a matrix will be what? Aij, in which Ij value will be what? I is greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to M, and J is greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to N, and I and J both belongs in what? Natural number. Clear? So till we studied order of a matrix, then general form of an M by N matrix. Finally, one point is there, the number of elements in an M by N matrix. The number of elements in an M by N matrix will be equal to M into N. Once we product M and N, then we are getting total number of the elements in that matrix. Observe. Matrix A having order 3 by 2. What about the number of elements? We will multiply both. 3 2 ja 6. And once we observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This matrix having 6 elements. So total number of the elements will be what? Once we are having matrix and M into N order, then total number of the elements will be M into N. Clear? This matrix having order 3 into 3. What about the number of elements in this matrix? So 3 3 ja 9. 9 elements. Observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 elements we are having. For this matrix, how many elements we are having in this one? Its order is 2 by 3. So number of elements will be what? 3 2 ja 6. Once we multiply M into N, then we are getting 6. So we can say in this matrix we are having 6 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? So in this class we are discussing what? First, order of a matrix. Once we are having M rows and N columns, then order will be what? M by N. Clear? And it is represented like what? m into n, and order we will put there. This is the one rectangular array and we will write order at this place. Clear? And this one is what? General form of an matrix m by n. Once we are having m by n matrix, then total number of the elements will be what? M into n. Multiplication of number of rows and number of columns. And that will be what? Total number of the elements in that matrix. That's all about this class. Thank you so much.